This is BizTalk Discovery, and I'm Carl Wolfenden. Having a unique way to tell your story is something, but having these guys tell your story is something else.
Sneaky Snake Films is a very creative, very insanity-driven production company. We have our mascot is a large green sock puppet who has made films internationally. We've won awards internationally.
We've won awards from all over the world.
These two guys, what they do is they work with companies to get not only your idea, but your attitude across in everything you do, from live trade shows to producing a commercial to
writing the scripts for the commercials.
Writing copy is very important.
Yeah, writing copy is very important to us and to Sneaky Snake.
Absolutely. Good grammar is a must.
Yes.
But we encompass, it's tough to say we encompass everything, but we kind of do. We work hand in hand. In fact, we're very good at holding your hand and making sure to get you over the rough spots. Does that make sense?
That does make sense because,
cool.
Yeah, those rough spots we make slippery.
Rough spots. That was my dog.
Join Carl in business class every week. Talking sales, marketing, travel, recruitment, and more. Every week we cover business topics that are trending and answer your questions. Email your questions at questions@businessclassnews.com. Visit our website at www.businessclassnews.com.
Every week, we showcase businesses around the world. We call this our Social Showtime on Business Class News. We are on all the major platforms: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and more. We tailor our distribution to an audience that is relevant to your business, getting you in front of your customers. You become your own co-host on a branded segment on our shows. So what does that mean for your business? Social media is a powerful tool if used in the right way. Consistency and repetition is the key to success. When you become a regular contributor on Business Class News, your prospects and customers will get to know you, and more importantly, trust you. Having Business Class News feature you gives you credibility and is great content to share on your social media. We call this transference of trust, and it gives the audience the confidence that you are an expert in your own industry or product sector. Our branded segments drive leads and inquiries that you can turn into sales. To book a guest interview on our shows, go to businessclassnews.com and let us feature you and your business to help you grow.